Welcome to day 21, devotion to your inner peace. Today, we will focus on protecting your peace as a lifestyle. Let your breath strengthen. Feel the subtle shift that has been unfolding within you. Inner peace is no longer just a place you visit. It is becoming the place you live from. Peace is not weakness. It is a powerful form of self-leadership. And today, you are allowed to become devoted to protecting it. Not rigidly, not defensively, but lovingly. Begin noticing what supports your peace. And what quietly disrupts it. Let this awareness guide you. Ask yourself today, what am I no longer available for if I am devoted to my peace? And say to yourself, my peace is sacred. I honor it. I protect it. And I return to it again and again. Take one final deep breath and acknowledge the woman you are becoming. Next week, we fully step into her.